for 9,300 mile, 35 days. So we're going to record a section here. The whole video, realistically, probably just do picture in picture. Anyways, I got some notes here too. The video starts here, Dustin and I, cruising through Oregon, heading east. We started in the Dalles, started heading towards Joseph, Oregon. Tried staying off of all the interstates as much as possible. I think we had a dip and dive through some of them. We ended up finding some dirt, going to Hell's Canyon, where we stayed the night.